Hello, my name is Brad from Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Transporter T28 Panavan Startline short wheelbase TDI 5sp manual, presented in that stunning pure grey solid paint. This is a 2 litre diesel engine with 110 PS power output. This vehicle also comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. Here we have the steel wheel trims, and moving on to the front of the vehicle we have your VW badging, and directly underneath is your front assist. Also dotted along your rear bumper are your colour coordinated rear parking sensors, allowing for extra safety when reversing this vehicle. Also dotted in multiple areas are some transporter and VW badging dotted around in multiple areas on the exterior of this panel van. Opening up the rear barn doors on 180-degree hinges allows you to reverse up tight to any loading bays that require you to, and once open reveals ample of load space where there is lighting located at the top to increase visibility in this fully ply-lined van, which is complete with lashing rings which assist with securing any heavy, light or fragile loads. And here we just get another angle of the rear of the van from your passenger side sliding door. Now we get to our first look at the driver's cab, a quick look at the controls for the electrically heated and adjustable wing mirrors, and on entry you are met by a very spacious area where you have your multifunctional steering wheel, which we will touch on later on in the video, your dual passenger seats along with your driver's seat there, which has armrests located on either side to increase comfort on all long and short journeys. And as we pan back around the dashboard, we have additional storage compartments for any smaller personal belongings, along with a couple of drink holders. To the left of your multifunctional steering wheel, we have your cruise control, allowing you to set your required speed and also increase and decrease your speed. And to the right, we have your voice activation control. Moving on to the centre console now, I'm just going to go through a few of the many features it has. We start off with the digital radio, where you're able to listen to and find all your favourite radio stations and save them onto the system whilst on the go. You also have the choice of AM and FM there too. A quick look now at AppConnect, where you can use AndroidAuto or AppleCarplay, which is a feature which allows you to access and use apps from your mobile device, such as Spotify, where you can listen to your own personal playlist, and Google Maps navigation. And finally, a quick look at your rear parking sensors, allowing for extra safety when reversing this vehicle. Directly below your centre console is your electronically controlled air conditioning system, your manual gear stick, and additional cup holder with a couple of USB seats. And once again, panning back around that dashboard, we get another angle of them smaller storage compartments, perfect for any smaller personal belongings you may be taking with you. Remember, this vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01772 911 356 or inquire online now. Thanks for watching.